Here are the 5 reasons Bitcoin and crypto are the most attractive assets. Bitcoin's the best performing asset ever. Crypto's on the early adoption curve with huge upside. Bitcoin has a low correlation with the most assets, making it great for diversification. Bitcoin is extremely liquid. Crypto never sleeps. Number 5, crypto's driving much needed financial innovation. So let's get into it. Number 1, Bitcoin is the best performing asset ever. Bitcoin's outperformed every asset ever held for greater than 3 years. In fact, it's up an incredible 24,000% just in the last 10 years, not since inception. To put it into perspective, if you had invested just $1,000 10 years ago, it would be worth $240,000 today. This kind of performance is unmatched in any other asset class, including stocks and bonds and gold, tulips, or real estate. For example, the S&P 500 stocks have an average return of about 10% on good years for the last 10 years. In contrast, Bitcoin's annual return over the same period has been 203%. That's per year, folks. One of the reasons for this incredible performance is that Bitcoin is a deflationary asset overall, meaning that its supply coming onto the market is destined to decrease. It's capped at 21 million, and it becomes more scarce over time. The second most powerful narrative here driving this price is that Bitcoin is not controlled by a central party. It's sovereign wealth and money. That can change on whims of some central party wanting to get more power, for instance. Number 2, crypto is still in the early stages of adoption. Despite its incredible growth over the last decade, crypto is still in the early stages. This means that there's still huge potential for growth, and we're just scratching the surface here on what crypto can do and how it can grow. As more and more people start to adopt crypto and Bitcoin into their daily lives, we can expect them to see more significant growth and use, and this flywheel starts turning faster and faster. For example, we're starting to see major companies like Tesla, Fidelity, and MicroStrategy adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. This is a clear sign that cryptocurrencies are becoming mainstream. Bitcoin's gaining in that adoption, and it's being accepted a little bit more in traditional finance and companies. Once the regulators decide how they want to treat crypto and Bitcoin, their regulatory certainty will open up the floodgates to ubiquitous adoption. Number 3, crypto is a great diversification tool. One of the key benefits of investing in crypto is that it has overall low correlation to traditional assets, making it an extremely good tool for diversification. This means that when other assets are underperforming, crypto can help you mitigate the risk there and provide an overall stabilization to your portfolio, decrease the beta with increased alpha. Bitcoin's correlation changes over time, and it's recently decoupled from stocks after a tight coupling in 2022. Sometimes Bitcoin benefits from being a hedge against inflation, like gold, and sometimes it benefits from being seen as a risk-on asset with a higher beta, like stocks or bonds have. Averaged over a year, Bitcoin has a very low or even negative correlation to stocks or bonds. It provides alpha while decreasing overall risk. Number 4, crypto is extremely liquid. Bitcoin's like Vegas. Stocks only trade about 6.5 hours a day, not on the weekends, and definitely not on holidays. Well, crypto never sleeps. Crypto is open for trading 24/7. This means that you can buy or sell crypto at any time, day or night. Whenever you need liquidity, Bitcoin's trading 5 times more than Apple or Boeing stock, for instance. In addition to the decentralized nature of crypto markets, that means that you don't need intermediaries like banks or brokers that slow down these transactions, which can take days to settle. That's ridiculous. This is 2023. This makes it easy to move money in and out of the markets at a time and a place of your choosing. Number 5, Bitcoin and crypto drive much needed financial innovation. One of the most exciting things in this space, creating a brand new sector of the economy. Bitcoin created sovereign money, like gold, where a central party can't control the supply or change the parameters to meet their goals or power drives. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, is enabling people to access financial services that were never possible before, especially in those that were unbanked, such as loans, savings accounts, insurance, without the need for a traditional bank or intermediary. That's power. Crypto enables people to send money across borders quickly and cheaply without those expensive intermediaries like PayPal and Western Union. Watch out. This will revolutionize remittance, which is a $1 trillion industry. The future is bright in Bitcoin and crypto. It's extremely exciting and rapidly evolving market. Can't wait to see what happens next week. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just a curious trader, it's worth taking a closer look at both Bitcoin and the other cryptos. And I would like to see you guys click on this video right here for a little bit more. What do we have to offer?